Finally. I can get some alone time. Huh? Are you okay?
Oh, Gray, I am thanks to you. Thank you so much.
Yeah, sure. No problem. Who are you anyway?
I'm Lily, and you're my hero, Gray. How can I ever repay you?
Well, you could start by letting go of my neck.
Oh.
Thanks.
So, hero, would you maybe want to hang out, or...
Right now? Sorry. I've kinda got things to do. I'll see you around, Lily.
Maybe next time. After all, you won't really have a choice, lover boy.
Hello? Is somebody there? Weird. What's this? Whoa! A ticket to the newest Spunky Adventure movie? Awesome! Huh? I swear I heard something. Oh well, movie time!
I've never seen that thing before in my life!
It looks like he could swallow me whole.
So many trailers these days, but it looks like it's just me here. Nice!
Not quite. Gray, it's so good to see you again.
Oh, hi, Lily. Oh, yeah, sure, that seat's open. Good to see you again. So soon.
Yeah, what a funny coincidence. I love Spunky Adventure movies. Clever, right?
I'm gonna get you, Simon!
Gray, what the heck is going on?
And I love what they did with the set. It really told its own story.
Uh-huh, sure.
That's called mise en scene. Did you know that? I knew that. And you know what I liked? The big kiss scene.
Right.
I can't believe it! Whoa!
Gray.
Ah! Huh? Tella?
Wenda, what are you doing here?
I'm spying on your ex and my one that got away.
Me too. Lily broke up with me out of nowhere, and suddenly she just has a new man?
A new man that's supposed to be my man.
Well, see you around.
Great, wait! My plans have been foolproof. Why are none of them working? I waited in Gray's favorite tree so he could rescue me. But he brushed me off immediately. And he saved me. Twice! I was willing to injure myself, literally falling for him. And then, the movie. Come on, try some popcorn.
I don't like popcorn.
He didn't want my snacks, and he didn't even like the movie. It might have had its flaws, but I don't. I'll just find a way to win him over. He just doesn't know it yet.
I just have to get her alone and talk to her about the breakup.
Don't follow her. He'll look like a creep.
You were gonna follow her too.
Well, that's different. Look, I've learned that trying to get someone to like you by force, stalking, kidnapping, and violence does not work.
Then what does work?
There's one option we haven't tried. Jealousy. How about we pretend to date each other? That'll show 'em.
You really think that'll work?
Do you have any better ideas?
Fine, it's worth a shot.
So, Tella, will you go out with me?
There is only one of you, only one of me. But they're not gonna watch me burn. 'Cause baby, I got you. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's a dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try, but they can never take me down. Ooh, 'cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love. They always bring all the lonely, but with you here, nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love. They always bring all the lonely, but with you here, nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love.
That's definitely a picture.
It got my bad side.
Wanna try again?
No.
Not afraid to love.
Hey, is everyone else late? You said you invited Oren and Pinky and
Oh, they all canceled.
all of them?
I know, rude, right?
Ah, what a shame.
Don't worry. It will be fun with just the two of us. Maybe even more fun, huh?
Oh, hello, you two.
Didn't see you there. We were too busy.
Setting up our super romantic date night. Just like you.
Tella?
Wenda, we're not.
Bothered at all. Enjoy your date.
She's looking. It's working.
Yes!
We have to seal the deal.
How? Do you mean...
Absolutely not.
Why you man stealer!
That's it! Take her down, Wenda! You think we could just break up and you immediately find yourself a new man? That's not cool!
Whoa, whoa, whoa! A new man? I am not her man.
What?
Wait, you're not?
Tella, you can't call me out. You just started dating Wenda at the same time.
We're not actually dating.
So you lied to us?
What?
We just wanted to make you two jealous. That's better than trying to kidnap you again, though. Right?
Well,
I just wanted to win you back, honey.
huh?
Oh, Tella, that's all I wanted to hear. I pretended to like Grace so that you would get jealous and come back to me. I'm so sorry we fought, Tella. I never wanted us to break up. I just got angry in the moment and
Shh! I think we both said things we don't mean. I'm sorry too.
Does this mean you want to get back together?
Yeah. But first, Wenda, I'm breaking up with you.
Yeah, I get it.
Then we're back together.
Oh, I've missed you.
Aw, what a happy ending.
Hey, all right.